Have you ever needed to crop an image quickly on your Windows 11 computer, only to find yourself searching for software to download? Well, the good news is you don't need any extra software at all. Windows 11 already comes with a built-in tool that lets you crop, rotate, flip, and resize your images in just a few clicks. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it using the Windows Photos app. Let's get started. First, locate the image you want to crop. For this example, I have a 3x3 passport photo sheet containing 9 passport pictures. But I only need one of the photos from the sheet. To open the image, simply double-click it. If the Photos app is not your default image viewer, don't worry. Just right-click on the image, select Open With, and then choose Photos from the list. Once the image opens in the Photos app, look toward the top left corner and click on Edit Image. Immediately, you'll be taken into the editing workspace. In most cases, the crop option is selected automatically. If it isn't, simply click on Crop. You should now see a cropping frame appear over the image. This frame determines the area of the picture that will be kept. To adjust it, simply drag any corner or side of the crop frame until it covers exactly what you want. Notice that we're currently using the free aspect ratio mode. This allows you to crop the image into any shape you like. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'll also show you some useful preset aspect ratios that can save you time. Now, if you need a closer view of your image, simply use your mouse wheel to zoom in or zoom out. Very useful when working with smaller details. You can also reposition the image inside the crop area. Simply click and hold your mouse button, then drag the image until it's perfectly positioned within the crop frame. That's looking much better. At the bottom left corner, you'll find rotation controls. These buttons allow you to rotate the image 90 degrees clockwise or 90 degrees counterclockwise. This is especially helpful if a photo was taken in the wrong orientation. Over on the bottom right side, you'll also see flip options. These let you flip the image horizontally or vertically with a single click. Nice and easy. Now let's look at one of the most useful features, the preset aspect ratios. Currently, the aspect ratio is set to free. Click on it to open the available options. You'll see several presets including Original, Square, 9:16, 16:9, and many more. These are useful when you're preparing images for specific purposes, such as social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, profile pictures, presentations, or mobile screens. Simply choose the aspect ratio that best suits your needs. For this demonstration, I'll select Square. Now I'll adjust the position slightly until everything looks exactly the way I want it. Perfect. Once you're satisfied with the result, click the Done button. Next, you'll need to save your cropped image. You have a few options here. You can choose Save, but keep in mind that this will overwrite your original image. To keep your original untouched, I highly recommend selecting Save a Copy instead. You can also choose Copy to Clipboard, which allows you to quickly paste the cropped image directly into another application without saving it first. For this example, I'll choose Save a Copy. And that's it. Your image has now been successfully cropped using nothing but the built-in Windows 11 Photos app. No downloads, no third-party software, and no complicated steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more Windows tips, software tutorials, productivity tools, and technology guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.